front of me is HUAWEI Nova 12 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access biometrics and password. Then tap on face recognition and enter your screen lock. Now it's finally time to tap on this switcher next to Raise to Wake to switch it off or on and hit Get Started. Then keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. When you've finished, hit Done. Manage all of those options and go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!